Hello children, let us discuss some HOTS. HOTS questions you have to think and don't bother about how to write. All the question answer will be sent to you in PDF form also. So this video is for only listening. You just listen carefully. First question of the HOTS is what a waste. What is Tommy referring to as a waste? Is it really a waste? Waste. Which thing is called waste here? The old book, the paper book which we are using nowadays is a waste in their view. The future children think that paper books are waste of money, waste of materials, because they haven't used, they will not use paper book, and they think that every year we purchase books and we throw it away after completion of the class, so they think it is a waste. Here question is it really a waste? Our answer will be no, it is not a waste. We can preserve it, other students can also use it, and in the future also we can see it. It is a property we should make our library, and paper books have their own advantage. It does not need electricity or any device. Without electronic devices such as mobile phone, computer, laptop, without that we cannot read daily books. So it is not completely waste. It has its advantages. It has its own advantages. Let us proceed to the next question, that is, how could a man be a teacher? Says Margie. Margie is a child of future, and she thinks, she cannot imagine, she cannot even think that a man can be a teacher, because she thinks robot mechanical teacher is only a teacher only that can teach all subjects. But we do have human teachers. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of having a computer as a teacher and a human teacher. You have to compare which is better. So you can discuss both advantages and disadvantages. Here it is, you are free to interact. You can talk to your teacher, you can tell your problem directly and that will be solved. He is a human, so he can understand your other problems also. If you have any physical problem, you can share your teacher, but not to a mechanical teacher. So there are a lot of, even Margie says at last that they had fun, they read together, there was a human teacher with whom we can share our problems, he can understand us well. So you will think, you will write the advantages of human teacher and advantages of mechanical teacher also, and then disadvantages of human teacher also you can think. So just thinking exercise, you think, answer will be provided, but you think of your own. There are some value based questions also. Margie was thinking about the fun they who went to school to study along with their friends. Why did Margie think going to school could be fun? Do you and your friends also think so? You can say yes, going to school is a fun, living at home is not so fun. Our study at school, the students who read at school, go to school, they enjoy a lot. Margie thinks so, and Margie's thinking is very right. She's thinking in the right direction, because there is a group of students who they go together, play together, do other activities together, and if they have problem they discuss together, they solve, they help each other. These kind of socialization cannot be done in a room which is a class. At home these things are not possible. So actually that is a fun. It is the most important life. School life is the most important life for any student. In that stage they learn a lot of things, and along with the learning they have fun also. There are several activities you can do at school. There are playing facilities, there is library, so many things, co-curricular activities are done. So really enjoy. Learning with enjoying is done at our school. So this is the best form. School at home is not possible. It's not enjoying. And the last is writing a skill. You have to write an article. An article about your opinion of a perfect school. Pros and cons of two types of school you will discuss. Which is better? We have discussed the same thing we will write as in the form of article. And after discussing the pros and cons of two types of schools, can we try to create a situation wherein the best aspect of both the schools are included? So you write about the best school you dream of. Write an article for your school magazine expressing your opinion about the perfect school you dream of. What will be in your perfect school? In perfect school, there will be human teacher also. The building will be also there, and we will include modern technologies. We will use smartphones, smart boards in the classroom, and then you can enjoy. You can learn from the modern gadgets also, and we can discuss with the teacher also. That will be the best, where all the facilities will be available. So you will write an article. You think of the perfect school of your dream. You can write yourself also, and the rest question answer will go to you, will reach to you in the PDF form. Thank you. That's all for